Hi friends, I'm Jennifer Scott and welcome back to my channel, J Scott Beauty. I want to thank you all for being here, especially my new subscribers. Most of you are anonymous. That's okay. I love a mystery. As long as you're here, that's okay. I don't need to know your name. All right, so what are we doing today? It is summer glowy makeup. It's not a ton of products. It doesn't feel heavy. It is just light, fresh, glowy. It is all the things I love. So if you like the looks of this face, stay tuned. And if you like a summer glowy face, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button. And I want to give a special shout out to a very dear friend of mine, Lynn. Linny, it means the world to me that you sit down and have your lunch with me. I mean, you're eating your lunch and I'm doing my makeup. And we're not really together, but you're with me. And that means everything. Thank you so much for your support. I know, you all support me and I super appreciate it. But I wanted to make sure Lynn knows just how appreciative and how much I love her. Thanks, Lynn. All right, let's get on with it. All right, so here we are. Of course, I have my eyebrows on. You know I am still a fan of the NYX Lift and Snatch. I'm using this shade Taupe today. It's a little darker, but I don't care. Oh my God, can you hear those lawn people? Ugh, whatever. Can you hear that outside? Sorry, it's summer. Anywho, so loving the Lift and Snatch still. And I'm giving the Kosas Air Brow, the clear gel, another shot. You know, it's supposed to hold your brows in place. I don't know if it's going to. I mean, I don't think it's as good as some other brow gels I have. But, you know, you got to give everyone a second chance. So here's your second chance. Oh, and what else am I doing? Yeah, that's right. I was cleaning out my beauty room because, well, I actually moved my beauty room from my bedroom, really. The corner of my bedroom had everything. My makeup table, all these lights, all my makeup. And, well, when my son moved out, I took over his bedroom. And now it is my beauty room / studio. And here we are. That's why things look a little different. I'm going to apologize because it is going to take me a while to get, like, the lighting situated and everything. My son had helped me with that before, but now I have to do it by myself, which is, well, an issue. Let's just all kind of kumbaya and deal with what I got going on here. Anyway, so when I moved my beauty room, I came across, of course, tons of things that I had never used before that I put away for future use. And one of them from Wonder Beauty is the gold baggage claim gold eye masks. And I'm like, I'm going to use them. Who cares? Let's put them on. So here they are. They're just to like hydrate your under eyes. You know, they're not going to transform your life. It's just something nice to use before you do your makeup, just to hydrate your under eyes, to keep them, you know, moist so that, you know, product doesn't settle into your under eyes. So here we go, taking them off. Ooh, she feels hydrated. All right, so I'm just going to make sure that is patted in so that the actual product stays in my face. And of course, always, I like to prep my lips. And this new little gem that I have from Fenty, this is the Pro Kisser, this the Luscious Lip Balm. I have it in the shade Pinch Me. I just like to prepare my lips for the rest of my makeup. This is like very smooth. It does feel hydrating. It has a little bit of a shine to it. I think it's very pretty. I would definitely wear it like out of the house, like on a normal day. But I think it's super nice for prepping before your makeup. All right, so we're going to do our best. Well, I'm going to do my best. I don't know what you're going to do. I'm going to do my best to do like a simple summer face using pretty much mostly new products. Now, of course, you know, I have been using the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint plus SPF 40. What is it? 40. I have been loving this. I just think this is such a great product because, well, you know, I want a little bit of coverage in the summer. Of course I do because of this, you know, hyperpigmentation that I've done to myself over the years. But I don't want it to be like a heavy makeup-y look. And I just think this is the perfect thing for that. So I'm going to go in with some of that on my face. Just look at how like light and like serum-y that is. It is super perfect for what I want for summertime. Now, because this is a serum and is a little shiny, I do want to set it. So I recently purchased from Kosas. This is their Cloud Set. Now, they have lots of shades. I have it in the shade Feathery, I think it is. What is it? Yeah, Feathery is the shade, which is a light medium color. Now, this is supposed to be a very light powder that will help you set, but it's not going to take away like the glow. I mean, we don't want to look super powdery in the summer. We do want to, well, at least me, I want to have a little bit of a glow. I do not want to look shiny all over, and I do want to set this serum so that it does last well throughout the day. Now, I have used the serum a bunch and I like it very much. However, I am up for using any other product that is going to extend its life. It's going to keep me from looking over shiny and greasy in the summer heat, and it's just going to give me a pretty overall finish. So far, so good. I think I really like that. And of course I want a little glow, so I'm going to use my Airbrush bronzer in the shade 2 from Charlotte Tilbury. You know how I love this. It is so pretty. It's always beautiful no matter what time of year I want to use it. And right now, I just want to give myself a bit of a bronze because I haven't been spending any time in the sun lately. I'm trying to stop the aging process. Well, you can't stop it, but I'm trying to, well, not look as old as I am. And I'm not going to bother with contouring. It's not necessary. It is summertime. I just want to get my glow up, girl. I know the rest of you are out there trying to have a hot girl summer. I'm not here for that. I just want to have like a medium middle-aged lady summer. I do tend to over bronze. That's my deal. No judgment, please. Now you all know I am a blush fiend. So for years I've been putting off getting this. It is the NARS Orgasm in the liquid version. I've used the powder version for years. As a matter of fact, here is the proof. Yeah, I have hit pan on this. She has been used a ton. And as of late, since I've been trying, all blushes, cream and liquid, of course I had to get this from NARS. I mean, this has been like probably the most cult blush ever, the powder form. And well, it's a good blush, don't get me wrong, but for me, it's almost a little too reflective. And listen, I used it a ton. I'm not, no shade, no hate. If you're still using it, good for you, girl. It looks beautiful on every skin tone, from the lightest to the deepest. It is gorgeous. They knocked it out of the park when they made that blush. You all know that, I know that. So I wanted to give the liquid one a try. Let's see how I feel about this. Now, normally I do put it on the back of my hand, but I have this handy dandy little plastic jammer that is supposed to keep my hand clean and allow me to still use the product. So let's see how we like. I think I'm gonna dab it on with a brush. All right, let's put it directly on the cheek and then go in with a little brush here. Oh, yep. Okay, so this is what I wanted. I wanted like a juicy pink cheek, but I didn't want it to be like as shiny and reflective. You know how there's the gold in the original version? Yeah, yep. Perfect. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know what took me so long to give this a try. I just had a fear of cream and liquid blushes. I didn't want them disturbing my makeup, and for the most part, most of them don't. This one doesn't seem to have at all, especially, well, I guess using the serum foundation helps because it's not so heavy. I'm going up around, I always do. Like I said, using the serum foundation, I'm sure helps because there's not as much product to break up. Oh, God, it's pretty. Ooh, has she been kissed by the sun? Now I know you're thinking, girl, you got too much blush on. You know the drill. Wait, there's gonna be finishing powder at the end. But right now, oh my God, this is giving me such summer vibes. I'm loving this so far. All right, I'm already glowy from the serum foundation and from the NARS Orgasm blush, but I am gonna go in with a new purchase. This is from Westman Atelier. Look at how pretty this is. It is called the Simple Loaded Tinted Highlight. It's in the shade Peau de Rosé, and it is a cream, of course. If you look at that, let's see here. You can see it is reflective. It is pinky. I think it'll be really lovely with my NARS Orgasm. I don't want to go in with it too heavy though, because sure to get some glow going on, but I gotta try it. All right, so I'm just gonna get it on my fingertip, and I'm just gonna go very high point and around. I don't want to be super glowy, although that's one of the nice things, one of the many nice things about the Westman Atelier products is they really look natural when you work them into the skin. The one thing that isn't great about the Westman Atelier products is the price tag. They are bullshit pricey. I mean, ridiculous pricey. It makes me mental. Now, I know Gucci Westman put this whole line together out of her own pocket. So, of course, things are going to cost more when you are not backed by some sort of you know, corporation. So yeah, they're beautiful products, but I don't know, who can afford them on the regular? They're so expensive. I was able to get this because a local store that carried a lot of cosmetics was going out of business. RIP, Tony Walker. However, I was going to get whatever I could, and this is what I was able to grab a couple things from West Montpelier, mostly like brushes and things, but I was able to grab this, and I was super happy that I did. Let's use it on the bridge of my nose. I mean, if she's gonna glow, she might as well glow. Quick story, you know how I told you like I moved into my son's room? Well, here's the funny thing. Last week I had an HVAC guy in the house, and of course he had to go around, check all the vents, and he came upstairs and saw my bedroom, and well, it looked like a filming studio. So can you imagine walking into someone's bedroom and seeing like lights, camera, action, all that? Yeah, I felt super duper weird. And I was like, oh my God, I have a YouTube channel. I just film, you know, beauty skincare videos. He didn't say a word. Like either he didn't believe me or he was like, lady, I've seen this before. I don't know which is worse. I think before I go on, I'm going to go in with my Jones Road, the face pencil. This is in the shade, what is this? Shade 11. I'm going to go under my eyes just to do a little bit of brightening. I just feel like they look a little neglected. And that's all I needed. I don't know if you can see a difference, but I can, and I feel much better about it. I still love these. I still freaking love these. Oh, also at that store when it was going out of business, I picked up a ton of stuff. Who am I kidding? But this is an oldie but goodie. It's from Laura Mercier. I'm going to have to look up the exact name. I don't know it off the top of my head. And I'm wearing my contacts, so I can't read a damn thing. Anyway, this is like an eye base. It comes in lots of colors. You can use it as an eyeshadow. It is perfect because it sets down, dries beautifully, and does not budge. Now, I'm using this because I have another product I'm going over top, which is also like a very permanent thing. But I just want to make sure that my eyes, which are very light in color compared to the rest of my face, are kind of brought up to the same neutral shade that I have going on. I used to use this stuff years ago, and I don't know, you just move on to other products. I'm so glad that I came across this at that sale because I remembered how much I loved it. I picked it up in 2 shades. This is the slightly darker. I have another one that's lighter that's just going to be perfect for using under, everyday makeup, kind of like in place of my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, which I'm never giving up. Don't worry, I'm not leaving her behind, ever, ever, ever. But these are just other options. You see how that just warmed up my eyes? I've worn this plenty of times without anything else, just like it is. Throw on some lashes, boom, she done. Of course, today we're not going to be done just yet. From Danessa Myricks, I have her, what is this called? Color Fix Eye, Cheek, and Lip Cream. I have it in the shade Ballerina. Now, this stuff, when I say you only need a little bit, I'm not kidding you. Like, I'm not joking. I'm going to put it on here for you to see, like, what a little bit is. That's a little bit. That's enough for your whole freaking eye. It is crazy how pigmented this stuff is. Beyond being pigmented, it will not budge. It'll last all day long. Now you see how it has like a pretty pink shimmer to it? That's all I want. I want to be summer glowy all over my face. So in case you all aren't completely familiar, Danessa Myricks is a famous makeup artist. So these are really formulated with like pros in mind. I did get it at Sephora. I think it's like $22 for this little thing. Considering the tiny amount that I need to use, I'm gonna have it forever. Are you like, girl, you are too shiny everywhere? It's summer, I don't care. Yeah, this is super pretty. I really look forward to trying it as a highlighter. I think it's gonna be gorgeous. Oh, I love it. All right, before we go on, I'm gonna take my Kosas and just powder down a little bit to take down some of the shine in areas where I don't need it. And the cool thing is that it came, I wanna say it's in like, I don't know, maybe like 7 different shades. So there's a shade for everybody. So me, like I said, I'm in the shade feathery, whatever. Can you believe how quick we're getting through this? I mean, what's up now? Of course, inner corner highlight. I'm not a savage. As always, you know it. I don't know if I'm ever going to give this up. It's from Jacqueline Cosmetics. It is the loose highlight in the shade Extra. I just friggin' love it. It is the highest shine, brightest thing I have ever put on my face, and I love it so much. I mean, boom, boom, bright. I am going to go just under my brows, just a little bit with whatever's left on the brush. All right, so I feel like these brows aren't holding up the way I wanted to. That Kosas Clear Brow Gel, was it the Air Brow? Ugh, it's just not doing it for me. I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Brow Fix in Clear. This stuff, I think it is the best brow gel on the market. You know me, I have a terrible time with my brows. I buy all the brow products, and I think that this is the best one. I think this one holds the best all day long. All right, that's as good as it's gonna get for now. All right, now we're gonna wrap up this face. You know I have the Fenty Pro Kisser on. I'm actually going to go over top of that with the Makeup by Mario. This is the Pro Lip Gloss, or what is it called? Pro Volume Lip. This is in the shade Rose Nude. I mean, look at how pretty that is. Oh, can we expect nothing less than perfection from Mario? I love him so much. All right, so let's see this on the back of my hand. It is just like a peachy, shimmery gloss. I don't even know if you can see that, but oh my God, she gorgeous. Oh my God. I'm gonna go in with this over and over. Now, of course, over a lipstick, it would be even more gorgeous, but I just want an easy, glowy summer face. Oh my God. Ooh, those are some juicy lips. And it feels good. It has a nice slip to it. It doesn't feel sticky, although it does feel like it's going to stick around a little bit. God, it's so pretty. Listen, we know I have a problem with lip products. I can't help it, but this is gorgeous. All right, let me throw on my lashes and we will wrap up. And voila, there we have it. For me, this just screams a summer face. It's exactly what I want. I don't feel like I'm wearing a lot of makeup. I do feel kissed by the sun. I feel glowy. But it doesn't look, I don't know, to me it doesn't look super makeup-y. To you, you might be like, girl, you look makeup-y. But for me, this is not makeup-y at all. Probably because it's like tonally the same. I don't have like a deep red lip or a bright red lip. Everything is just tonally in that kind of like peachy, pinky, golden vibe, which I am living for. This is it, a totally easy summer makeup look. If you are interested in this, I will of course link all of the products in the description box below. And you know what? I'm feeling cute with this face, so I'm gonna film another video with the same face. I'm probably even gonna change my dress. I don't care. I'm loving the look. I'm feeling great. You will see it in my upcoming video. So this is Wednesday. You're gonna see it again on Friday. All right, what are my takeaways? So here I have the bin of everything that I used today. And what are my favorite things? Of course, I love the Super Serum Skin Tint. I think it gives just the right amount of coverage, the right amount of glow. I am loving this Kosas powder. It sets everything down, but doesn't, totally cancel out the glow. It still makes me look light and fresh. Love this. This NARS Orgasm Liquid Blush, I friggin' love. I'm kicking myself for not having gotten it before. I'm gonna say it, okay? I should have bought it, 5 years ago when it came out. I love it. You got to get it. It's beautiful. I like everything with the whole look, but I think that those are my favorite, my three favorite things. Let me see. Oh, I do love this lip though. Oh, and this Fenty one. I really like this too. Oh, and the highlight from Westman Atelier. Yeah, I really love this too. And this from Danessa Myricks in, what was the shade I said? Ballerina. Oh my God. It's really pretty. I love this too. So yeah, I love it all. I can't help it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up. I could really use the positive reinforcement. And if you know someone who wants a summer makeup face, maybe your mom, maybe your sister, maybe your bestie, and share this video. Shares totally help me out. And as always, I want to thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you real soon. Mwah. Oh my God, this is totally me. Do you see that? I have mascara in my hair. Always the Hot Mess Express.